Hey guys, it's me Christian, and today I was kind of bored. I was just really bored, so I decided to clean up some of my dolls because I'd noticed, because some of them I really just kind of throw them in a box and just leave them there, and sometimes their hair gets all ratty and messy, and I've noticed how kind of ugly they were getting, so I'm gonna be fixing them today. Oh shit. So here are my victims for today. The first one is this Gwen Stefani doll. She's kind of ugly, but she's alright. Next is a Jenny Kaori doll, I think that's how you say it. She's one of the summer tan ones. Here's an Integrity Toys doll, one of the older ones. This fake Bratz doll that has the Jade face, she's really pretty. I find her pretty. Cheryl, her hair is really messy. Welcome to Fabulous Sasha. Campfire Yasmin. What's her name again? Girls Really Rock Yasmin. Chic and Mystique Jade, I think. And Wicked Twins Dionna. The water. Let's take it after a little spa day. Hooray! Here they all are, just in the water. I'm going to put Cheryl in later because she's really big and I need to take off her clothes. I put some Pantene, I think. Yeah, some Pantene up in their hair. So now I'm just letting them soak in here. I always get nervous. Does anybody else get like nervous whenever they fall into the water like this? I always have to make sure they're afloat because I always get like anxiety whenever I see them in the water. I don't know, just it's something I do. Notice all the freaking soap bits just floating around. Here she is. Oh, she has some stains on her, wow. But she has both of her earrings. I got her recently at the Goodwill for like, well, technically I didn't buy her. I just snuck her in a Bakugan bag because for some reason she was really expensive, like $6, and I didn't have that much money. So I had to sneak her in this little Bakuman, or it was a Bakugan bag. Also, one thing I realized about my little Integrity doll is that when I got her at the thrift store like a while ago, I never removed the price on her, so she's only like $4. And I guess the little seller put a little heart on, so it's a nice. She's pretty. With some of these dolls, I'm not going to be cleaning that much because they're not really that dirty. I know this Jade is because I got her recently, this Gwen Stefani doll, because I never really bothered to clean her because I thought she was ugly. And I really just bought her for her clothes. Also, this is a random thing I like to do, but I like to do this with my doll hair. I like to just smack it against it so it doesn't like drip too much. Here are all the dolls. Here's Sasha. I'm gonna be brushing her hair out. This is my handy dandy brush that I use for my doll hair. And I've had this brush for a couple years, so it's been through a lot. It's still pretty good. It has a little mirror. Here's Sasha. She's really pretty. And I know a lot of people like her, which she is really pretty. Here's Wicked Twins Dionna. She does have some like weird bald spots. I mean, it's alright, because back in 2017, I did get her and Sierra. I got them both for like $5 with their outfits on. I miss those times. If you guys know who she is, I forget her name. I remember I identified her back in 2020, but then I forgot. But yeah, if you know who she is, tell me. Here's my bootleg Jade. She does have like some really bad bald spots, which I'll have to like find a way to part it. But yeah, she's really pretty. I know some people don't like her. I've had some people say that she's ugly, but I mean, I think she's really pretty. And I give her this really cute piercing. Here's the true enemy right here, this Jade. I still need to clean off these markings. I don't know if this is pen or anything. I hope it's just dirt or something. Because this is a mess. One thing I didn't notice was that she actually had bangs once upon a time, but I'm pretty sure whoever had her just chopped them off, and I would understand. They're kind of ugly, but I'm pretty sure I could just slick all this back so you won't see anything. So here are all the dolls that are drying right now. She's going to be a hassle, but yeah, she's just really pretty. I didn't really have to do much with her, just wash her hair out. Here I have these two outfits with me. I'm going to be putting the Integrity doll in this one, and my Kaori Jenny doll in this one. Here's Jenny. I think she's really pretty. I like the little pants with the really cute Barbie top. I'm not sure what top it belongs to, who it belongs to, but if you know, tell me. Here's the Integrity doll. She looks kind of eh. She kind of looks like a mom, and I'm not really satisfied with this hair, so I'll probably change it another time. Alright, so here's Jade, but the bootleg Bratz. She's really pretty. Put in these pants. Here's Yasmin. I'm too lazy to put shoes on her because I don't have that many shoes. I need to get more, but she's really pretty. And her hair is really flowy. Here's Gwen Stefani. She's really ugly, but she has really nice hair. But she's ugly. Here's Welcome to Fabulous Sasha, wearing Girls Night Out Sasha's outfit, I think. And she's really pretty. I love her so much. Here's Wicked Twins Dionna. She's really pretty. Put her in this little outfit right here. I also forgot to mention I did get this Lika-chan doll. Well, I got her today. And she's from eBay. She's on this Disney store princess body. She's kind of weird, to be honest. Because look how long her legs are. It's really out of scale. But yeah, that's really it for this video. Goodbye.